Hi everyone, today's lesson is about finding the derivatives of different trigonometric functions. I have 6 examples here for you, so let's go straight to the first example. Here we need to find the derivative of negative 4 cosine 2x plus 5. And as you can see on the upper right side of your screen, the equivalent derivative of cosine x is given, and that's negative sine x. We will use that. And of course, aside from that, we will use also the chain rule. So if you're not familiar with that, my advice is watch that video first. Okay, so this is negative 4, and then the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So this is negative sine, and then our function, or our angle rather, is being represented by 2x plus 5. And then after that, we will multiply this by the derivative of the inner expression, which is 2x plus 5, and that's 2. 2 times negative 4 is just negative 8 times, or yeah, times negative sine 2x plus 5. And this is equal to 8 sine 2x plus 5. Alright, let's go to the second example. Here we need to find the derivative of negative sine negative 3x minus 1. Again, on the upper right side of your screen, you can see the equivalent, or the derivative of sine x is just cosine x. So that means this will just be negative cosine, and then negative 3x minus 1 multiply by the derivative of negative 3x minus 1, which is negative 3. So negative 3 times negative is positive, so this is equal to 3 cosine negative 3x minus 1. Alright, let's go to the next one. Okay, so here we have negative tangent 3x. Okay, the derivative of tangent x is equivalent to secant square x, so that means this is equivalent to, or equal to rather, negative secant square 3x times the derivative of 3x, which is 3. So the final answer is negative 3 secant square 3x. Yep. Alright, so let's go to the fourth example now. Alright, so here we have 3 secant 2x minus 1. Alright, so derivative of secant is secant x tangent x. So that means this is equal to 3 secant 2x minus 1 tangent 2x minus 1. And then multiply that by the derivative of 2x minus 1, which is 2. So our answer is 6 secant 2x minus 1 tangent 2x minus 1. Alright, let's go now to our second to the last example. Okay, so here we have 4 cosecant 3x, and as you can see on the upper right corner of your screen, the derivative of cosecant x is equal to negative cosecant x cotangent x. So we will use that. Right, for this is 4 times negative cosecant 3x, right, cotangent 3x, multiplied by the derivative of 3x, which is 3. So our answer is 3 times 4 is 12, and there's a negative sign, so that's negative 12 cosecant 3x, and then cotangent 3x. There you go. Let's go now to our last example. Alright, so this is 2, and then the derivative of cotangent is negative cosecant square, and then our angle is 3x minus 1. Multiply by the derivative of 3x minus 1, which is 3. So our final answer is negative 6 cosecant square 3x minus 1. Alrighty, so that's it for our lesson today. I hope you learned something. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.